Hi, my name is Chiam Jia Shinn, or you can call me Rachel. I'm from Culinary Arts in IPK. This is my first time having competition in MCWC. I think my biggest improvement for this competition was my time management and my menu also. So my past competition versus now, I think the biggest challenging part is your quick thinking. Like when we went there, the equipment was not necessarily good. So we need to have our creativity. I will rate my performance 10 out of 8 because you don't know what will come. That's how your critical thinking will come true. So how fast would you do if there's a problem and you have nothing at there? How do you handle it properly? Without any pressure. My best advice is to believe in yourself. And you need to prepare yourself very well. And if you make mistakes, it's okay. You're going to improve later on. It's not a big deal. You don't need to hold it in your heart that long. Thank you IPK for providing us facilities for us to train and all the ingredients and our lecturers' time and the biggest support from IPK also. For my final words, I wanted to appreciate all the support that I get from my lecturers and friends. Because of this, I will continue more competitions in the future.